Good morning friends, you are welcome to Unique Student Circle. Please like, comment and share my video and subscribe my channel. Hello friends, today we will learn class 11th English Hornbill poem A Photograph. Stanza 1. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and she the bigger girl, some 12 years or so. Explanation first. An old photograph of the poet's mother, which was pasted on cardboard, makes the poet recall the old memories of her mother's childhood. एक कार्डबोर्ड पे फ़ोटो चिपकी हुई है. जब पोएट उसे देखती है तो उसे अपनी माँ के बचपन के दिन दोबारा याद आ जाते हैं. The photograph is describing enjoyable moments at a sea beach of poet's mother with her two cousins who were younger to her. They were walking in the shallow water with the bare feet near the beach. उस फोटोग्राफ से पोइट को पता चलता है कि जो उसकी मदर है और उसकी जो दो कजन्स हैं वो इंजॉय कर रहे हैं कहाँ पे, बीच पे. और दे वर वॉकिंग इन शैलो वाटर, वो शैलो वाटर पे नंगे पाँव मूव कर रही थी. इससे पोइट को अपनी मदर के खुशी वाले दिन, इंजॉयबल दिन पता चलते हैं, उन्होंने कैसे व्यतीत किए थे. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Third, the mother was standing in the middle and holding hands of her two cousins who were standing on each side. The poet's mother was 12 years old. जो पोइट की मदर है वो बीच में खड़ी हुई है, उसके कज़न लेफ्ट राइट खड़े हुए हैं, तब पोइट की मदर 12 years old थी. Now, stanza 2. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face. My mother's that was before I was born, and the sea which appears to have changeless washed their feet terribly transient feet. Explanation. The photograph shows that all three girls, the poet's mother and her two cousins, stood still and smiled at the cameraman when their uncle clicked their photograph at the sea beach. As the weather was windy at that time, their hair was flying over their smiling faces. जब उनकी अंकल उनकी फ़ोटोग्राफ खींच रहे थे, वो सभी सीधे खड़े हुए थे और स्माइल कर रहे थे. तभी अचानक से विंड आई और उनके जो हेयर थे वो उनकी फेस की तरफ आ रहे थे जब वो स्माइल कर रही थी, और उनके सभी के स्माइली फेसेस थे. Everything has changed since then. Her mother grew up. Now she was dead. The poet was receiving her memories. The thing that remained unchanged is the sea that was washing their feet of the three girls. सब कुछ चेंज हो गया है, उसकी मदर मर भी गई हैं, सब थिंग मेमोरीज सेम हैं, और एक और चीज़ सेम है, वो जो सी है वो भी अभी तक सेम है. Stanza 3. Some 20-30 years later, she had laughed at snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she say and look. Dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both worry with the labored ease of loss. Explanation. Every 20-30 years later, the mother would look at the photograph and laugh and remember the happy memories her past. जो उसकी मदर है वो 20-30 years के बाद उस फोटोग्राफ को देखती है और मेमोरीज को रिवाइज करती है और हंसने लग जाती है. नाउ, mother would look at the photograph and comment on the dresses worn by the cousin Dolly, Betty and herself. Sea holiday was her mother's past, and mother's laughter has become a thing of the past for the poet as her mother was now dead. वो कहती हैं देखो डॉली और बैटी की कैसी सी ड्रेस है और मेरी भी कैसी ड्रेस है, और जो सी की हॉलीडे है उसकी मदर के लिए पास्ट है, और जो उसकी मदर का लाफ्टर है, उसकी हंसी है, वो उसकी पोइट के लिए भी एक पास्ट चुकी क्योंकि उसकी मदर मर गई है. The words labored and ease are opposite to each other but describe the same identity and loss. Stanza 4. Now she is been dead nearly as many years that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence is explanation. The poet recalls that it is nearly 12 years since her mother died. The poet is consumed with the grief but is left with no words to express her loss and pain. The poet is totally absorbed in memories of the dead mother. The painful silence of this situation leaves the poet speechless. जो पोइट है वो अपनी मदर की मेमोरीज को याद करते करते कहने लगती है कि उसकी जो मदर है वो उसे 12 साल हो गए हैं मरे हुए, और उसे अपने दुख करने के लिए कोई भी नहीं है जिसके साथ वो शेयर कर सके, और उसके पास कोई भी वर्ड नहीं है अपने लॉस और पेन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, इसलिए वो अपने पेनफुल साइलेंस से बैठी हुई है।